All right. Hi, this is the lab activity demo for activity 5-5 in your lab book that starts on page 180. So I'm just going to follow the lab book and see if there's any question that I can resolve for you guys. So I'm just going to follow the steps. So step number 1 says for you to start the Management Studio or connect. Right click on it, Properties. In the security, you're supposed to select this. If it was here, you need to change it over here. But mine was already set, so click OK. If you needed to switch, then it'll tell you that you need to reboot, but it's already set, so I'm just going to close it just to follow the book. Step number 2 is to go and restart some services. So configuration tools, manager, and on this SQL Server services, the SQL Server, you need to restart. And you need to do the same thing for SQL Server Agent, this guy here. So just to do a little bit differently, you can just stop. And then you can also now start, right? Doesn't matter whichever you would do it, just need to get it back to starting. Close this guy out. And let's moving on to step number 4. Restart the Studio Manager. And connect. New query. And let's see. I think I have copied this here, so I'm just going to copy it over here and paste it. That's step number 5. And that's a $W0RD. So if you execute, I did this a long time ago, so mine's already existing. So if you already did it, then you get that. Otherwise, you should get a already existing comment. And I think this test user already exists. So yeah. But anyway, that's the command. And then going on to step number 6. That's number 6. Actually, I think we need to select the AdventureWorks before we need to do this. So let's see if we can execute here. Yeah, I think it's already created for them. But anyway, so that's number 7 or 6. Step number 7, we can get rid of these guys. And then set the database to, okay, so let's say set the database. Okay, I'm going to do that. Execute that. And then creating the schema. So I will just have to type this guy here. Schema test schema and authorization test user. It might complain that you don't need this here. So if you do that, it should work fine. Okay. Anyway, so that's that. Step number 7 and 8. Let's see. Okay. And step number 9. Okay, I think we're gonna. Oops. Now create table test schema dot test table. Okay, and then create. That's it. I'm just going to do one item. Let's see, table ID and integer. Let's see. Okay, let's see. It helps to type it correctly. All right, so that's sort of the maybe a little bit of a typo and stuff like that, but it's kind of showing you up to step number 9 on lab 5-5. So I hope that gets you started. And then when you get to, I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'll stop this, and then there's a comment about step number 23, which are posted up later. All right, hope that helps out. Thanks.